Ladies category. What's gonna be the whole shot? Oops. That's Pia Gabriel. Na makita, guys. Yan ang namumuna si Shana Tamayo. Ikan by Pia Gabriel sa ladies category. Bakbakan yung dalawa, oh. Shana Tamayo. Pangalawa si Pia Gabriel. Ganda panoorin.
For our ladies category, with once again Shana Tamayo and Pia Gabriel on the first team. We have 3 laps with 4 laps scheduled on the ladies class.
Pero malalakas eh. Kaya malalakas sa ladies na yun. Bata pa naman yung una yan. Ibang bansa yan ang training eh.
Still have it here, Shana Tamayo. Pia Gabriel on second, Riel Hernandez on
Leading pa rin.
Darlene Texon on
Shana Tamayo. Ikan Pia Gabriel. Medyo lumalayo na. Dumistan ka na. May lappers. So, Shana Tamayo. And Pia Gabriel.
And again, we have our top 3 riders. On third is Riel Hernandez. Then we have here Darlene Texon.
May natumumba. Pimplang. Yellow flag.
Lapper, yellow flag, Martian.
Naipit.
Wait lang po yung yellow flag, wait lang. Lappers, be mindful, do not engage with our riders.
Sayang. Sino yung sumimplang? Sumimplang yan. Sino kaya yung sumimplang? Pagmura ng motor eh.
Have it here, 1-2-1.
So, ganun pa rin. Layo na ni Pia.
Lappers.
Layo na lang.
Lappers, do not engage. Lappers, do not engage. Again, lappers, do not engage.
Ito yung una. Shana Tamayo. Sikan pa lang si Pia Gabriel. Tinapo na yung goggles niya, oh.
On the lead, followed by Pia Gabriel on Moto de
Marami ding lapper eh.
Going in on third, we have here Riel Hernandez. On fourth position, we have Jasmine Howe. Darlene Texon on fourth. Then we have Jasmine Howe.
Malayo na, guys. Malayo na yung agwat. Tayo na muna dito. Saan na ba yun?
Last lap to go, and we still have Shana Tamayo on the lead. On
Last lap.
Son on fourth. Isay Pineda on fifth.
Last lap. Wala na pala yun. Tapos na pala.
Veterans on the starting gate. 4-stroke Global Enduro and 65cc.
So first, Shana Tamayo.
On the waiting area, Pro Open, get ready.
Second lang si Pea Gabriel. Second Pea Gabriel. Nandun yung goggles niya, tinapon niya.
Lalo kasi madilim.
Ayan, kinuha niya oh. Hindi siya makakita eh. Nandun oh. Tapos na guys. Bakbakan pa yun sa fighting for third.
Checkered flag for Shana Tamayo and Pierre Gabriel. On third is
Third.
Riel Hernandez.
Riel
Coming
Hernandez.
in on
Fourth.
fourth, we have Darlene Texon.
Marlon Texon. So yun.